Hey, first graders. Okay, today on our writing, we are going to use our circle map from yesterday. So make sure you have that ready to look at. And then we will be moving on to writing out some of our ideas into sentences so that they're really ready to be in a paragraph. Okay, so I'm going to disappear here and we're going to go to the example circle map that we saw yesterday. So you should have out your circle map. And I want you to check that here in the middle you wrote one of your favorite outside activities right there. Okay. And I want you to look around the outside and make sure that you have a lot of different ideas of why that is one of your favorite outside activities. Okay. And with that, I want you to look at those different ideas you had, and I want you to circle 3 that you think are your very best ideas. Okay, so I'm going to circle good exercise, nice scenery, and fun to hike with friends. Those are the 3 I'm going to focus on as I prepare to write a paragraph. Okay, once you have your 3 ideas, then I want you to look at the next page. So good exercise, nice scenery, and fun to hike with friends. So now I'm going to look at my other page and I'm going to start filling this out using the information that I did yesterday. Okay, so it says here that our topic sentence is the best outdoor activity is blank. Okay, if I'm using my idea from yesterday, as you should be using, then on that blank, I am going to write the same word or group of words that were here in my middle circle. That is what's going to go on the blank. Okay, so for this example, we are going to put hiking here in the blank. So the best outdoor activity is hiking. Okay, and then down here in the reasons, we are going to turn our 3 best ideas into sentences. Okay, so I wrote down the idea good exercise. How can I put that idea into a sentence? I could say hiking is good exercise. So that is what I'm going to write in my first blank. Hiking is good exercise. And end with a period. Okay. Then I'm going to look at my second idea I chose, nice scenery. So maybe I could put that into a sentence by saying, when I hike, I see nice scenery. And that is what I will write. Okay. And then I look at my third idea, which is fun to hike with friends. All I need to do to turn that into a sentence is say, it is fun to hike with friends. End with a period. And then finally, in our conclusion, we are repeating the idea that we introduced in our topic sentence. So that word hiking comes down here again, this time starting with a capital because it's the beginning of the sentence. Hiking is a great activity for me. And that will be the end of your writing for today. So hopefully you're getting lots of good ideas. I'm excited to hear about some of your favorite things. Have fun writing. Bye.